Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to explain how the finals ranked works. I'll explain everything about ranked in the finals, but don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now as you can see here in my case that I am gold 4 with 450 final points. And you will probably assume that this is your elo or the used elo to matchmake with other players. So you would probably assume that you would get matches with people with the same rank that you have now, as in my case here it's gold 4. But this is not true, because sometimes you will enter games with people from silver or even from platinum. And here, because I have gold 4, you can also play with people from gold 2, gold 1 or even gold 3. And this is because there's something called the hidden elo. And this hidden elo you cannot even see at any point. So now here in my case, because I am gold 4, let's say that I have lost 3 ranked games in a row. So this will make me match up with people with lower elo like bronze, for example. And this hidden elo is not determined by your current rank or even your final points. And the same thing can happen in the opposite side. For example, you may match up with someone platinum that has lost 3 or 4 games in a row in the ranked matchups. So this will lead him to play with people with lower elo, and that is the explanation why you may also match up with people from platinum. And actually, the finals should be a competitive game, and this hidden elo system isn't that good for a ranked game. It's really bad. And this game is designed to be very competitive. But I think it is unfair to have something like hidden elo in this game, and you cannot even show it. And I think it's gonna be a good idea from the game. If you lose a ranked game, it shows you the upcoming elo matchmaking in the next games that you're gonna play. But this is actually something that they can add moreover. And I think it's better to play with the people with your same rank. For example, here in my case, I'm gold 4. I should play all the games with gold 4 in my team and gold 4 in other enemy teams. And even in ranked tournament, all the players should have the same rank. But in reality, this doesn't happen in the finals game. So you may get into a ranked tournament and find different players in rank. You may get with gold 3, with platinum, with bronze in the same ranked tournament. And this is not actually fair. So I advise you guys, if you are having some bad games or loses in a row in ranked, I think it's a bad idea to try to play another game after a losing streak. And actually by this way, the final points or even your rank doesn't matter. You will play with people not in the same rank that you are in. So I hope the finals finish up this mess and fix the ranked issues, because really this game is a very competitive and need to have a good ranked system. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all guys, and I hope the finals game fix all the ranked issues. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.